Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing the trailer. Park level, chalk wheels, and place jack stands under rated points. Once done, disconnect the battery and remove any safety clips or cotter pins so components can move freely. You'll spray penetrating oil on the bushing housing and mounting bolts and let it soak for 10-15 minutes. This reduces force needed and prevents rounding bolts. Make sure to label fasteners as you remove them so reassembly is simple, and you won't mix up different length bolts. You'll support the axle securely on a jack and then remove the mounting bolts while noting torque and their order. This preserves geometry. Next, press or carefully hammer the worn bushing out using a matching sleeve, drift, or hydraulic press. Apply steady force to avoid deforming the bracket. Once the bore is clean, install the new bushing with assembly grease and an alignment sleeve. Tap it squarely until flush. Make sure the bushing seats fully so load transfers correctly and noise won't return. You'll reinstall mounting hardware and torque bolts to the manufacturer's spec, using thread locker where required. This prevents loosening under vibration. Once torqued, lower the axle and check for lateral and rotate play by hand, then perform a low-speed road test to confirm the trailer tracks and is quiet. After about 50 miles, retorque fasteners to ensure they settled. If you still hear clunks or see movement, inspect the mount, shims, pivot pin, and inner sleeve. Those are the usual failure points to troubleshoot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.